Starting a new job can be both exciting and nerve-wracking. In this video, we'll explore essential tips to help you ace your first day at work. Whether you're stepping into a corporate office, a creative studio, or a remote position, making a great impression is crucial. We'll cover everything from how to prepare the night before to what to say during your introductions. You'll learn the importance of dressing appropriately, arriving on time, and being open to meeting new colleagues. We'll also discuss how to navigate the first day jitters and turn them into confidence. Remember, the first day sets the tone for your entire experience at the company, so it's vital to showcase your best self. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid game plan to ensure you not only survive, but thrive on your first day. So let's dive in and get you ready to make a lasting impression that will pave the way for your success in this new chapter. Preparation is key to ensuring a successful first day at your new job. One of the first steps is to research the company culture and dress code. Understanding the environment you're stepping into will help you align your attire with expectations, whether it's business formal or casual. Dressing appropriately not only boosts your confidence, but also shows respect for the company's values. Next, gather all necessary documents and materials you might need on your first day. This could include identification, tax forms, or any paperwork requested by HR. Having everything organized will help you feel more at ease and ready to tackle your new role. Finally, plan your commute in advance. Whether you're driving, taking public transport, or walking, knowing your route will help you arrive on time and reduce any first-day stress. Aim to arrive a little early to give yourself time to settle in. By taking these preparation steps, you'll set yourself up for a smooth and successful start to your new job. Making a positive first impression starts the moment you arrive at the workplace. Aim to arrive early, as this demonstrates punctuality and enthusiasm for your new role. Being on time not only shows that you respect your colleagues' time, but also gives you a chance to settle in before the day begins. As you enter, greet your colleagues with a warm smile and introduce yourself confidently. A friendly demeanor can go a long way in breaking the ice and establishing rapport. Remember, first impressions are often lasting, so be genuine and approachable. Once you're in the office, take a moment to observe the environment. Pay attention to how colleagues interact with one another and the overall office dynamics. This will help you understand the company culture and adapt your behavior accordingly. Whether it's a casual chat or a more formal atmosphere, being aware of these nuances will help you integrate smoothly into your new team. By following these steps, you'll set a positive tone for your first day and beyond. Engaging with your team. Building rapport with your coworkers on the first day is essential for creating a positive work environment. One effective way to start is by initiating conversations and asking questions. Show genuine interest in your colleagues by inquiring about their roles, experiences, and even their favorite aspects of the workplace. This not only helps you learn more about your team, but also demonstrates that you value their input. Participating in team activities or discussions is another great way to foster connections. Whether it's joining a lunch outing or contributing to a brainstorming session, being actively involved helps you integrate into the team and shows that you're eager to collaborate. Additionally, being approachable and open to feedback is crucial for creating a collaborative atmosphere. Smile, maintain open body language, and encourage your coworkers to share their thoughts. This openness will make it easier for others to connect with you and will lay the groundwork for strong working relationships. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to building a supportive network within your new workplace. Understanding your role and responsibilities. Gaining clarity about your job expectations is crucial for your success in a new position. One of the first steps you should take is to ask your supervisor for a clear outline of your tasks and goals. Understanding what is expected of you will help you prioritize your work and align your efforts with the team's objectives. During orientation or training sessions, make it a habit to take notes. This will not only help you retain important information, but also serve as a valuable reference as you settle into your role. Having a written record of your responsibilities can be incredibly helpful when you need to revisit specific details later on. If you encounter any uncertainties, don't hesitate to seek clarification. Asking questions shows that you are proactive and committed to doing your job well. It's better to address any confusion early on than to make assumptions that could lead to mistakes. By ensuring you fully understand your role, you'll be better equipped to contribute effectively and confidently to your new team. Maintaining a positive attitude. A positive mindset on your first day can significantly influence your experience and set the tone for your future at the company. Staying optimistic and open-minded is essential, even if you encounter challenges. Embracing a can-do attitude will help you navigate any bumps in the road and demonstrate resilience to your new colleagues. Practicing active listening is another key component of maintaining a positive attitude. By fully engaging in conversations and absorbing information, you not only show respect for your coworkers, but also enhance your understanding of your new environment. This engagement fosters connections and helps you feel more integrated into the team. Additionally, take a moment to reflect on your achievements and remind yourself of your capabilities. Acknowledging your strengths can boost your confidence and help you approach your new role with assurance. Remember, everyone has been the new person at some point, and maintaining a positive attitude will not only benefit you, but also create a welcoming atmosphere for those around you. Embrace the journey ahead with enthusiasm and an open heart. Conclusion. As we wrap up, let's summarize the key points discussed in this video about acing your first day at a new job. We emphasize the importance of preparation, from researching the company culture to organizing necessary documents. Engaging with your team through conversations and participation is crucial for building rapport and fostering connections. Lastly, maintaining a positive attitude can significantly impact your experience, helping you navigate challenges with confidence. We encourage you to implement these tips to ensure a successful first day. Remember, the way you start can set the tone for your entire journey in this new role. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more career advice. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends or colleagues who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us create more valuable content to assist you in your professional journey. Thank you for watching and best of luck on your first day. You've got this.